Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. Today we have prepared news about Hedera cryptocurrency. HBAR price analysis. Daily RSI chart signals a bullish divergence. On February 17, the Hedera, HBAR, price turned down from the combined resistance of $0.27 and falling trendline. The bear cycle plunged the coin by 25%, resisting the $0.2 monthly support. Furthermore, the coin price continued the sloppy consolidation in March, gradually narrowing within the range of descending triangle pattern. The bearish continuation pattern intensifies the supply pressure as the altcoin nosedive below the neckline. However, the daily RSI slope rallying with new higher lows suggests the rising bullish momentum. This positive divergence with respect to the last three swing lows in price action indicates the coin has a higher probability for a bullish breakout. If the buyers breach and sustain above the dynamic resistance trendline $0.22. The follow-up rally would drive the altcoin by 20% and the $0.268 mark. Anyhow, a genuine breakout from either of the end levels will determine the upcoming rally. Technical indicator: the declining simple averages, 50 and 100 days, maintain a bearish trend along with the resistance trendline. Moreover, the 50-day average line has crushed multiple bullish attempts resulting in the lower high formations. However, a potential reversal aiming for the trendline breakout will eventually reach the 100-day average, resulting in a 12.54% growth. Furthermore, an increased grip over the trend can help surpass the $0.25 and reach the 200-day average of $0.328. The daily volatile indicator shows the VI lines continue the bearish trend after avoiding the reversal crossover. However, the crossover at the 50 SMA breakout is plausible. So next news. HBAR Foundation pledges $100 to support DLT-based sustainability projects. HBAR aims to address environmental woes. On March 10, distributed ledger business Hedera hashgraph launched the Sustainable Impact Fund, SIF, a non-profit philanthropic arm that aims to support the development of climate-friendly solutions inside the Hedera ecosystem. An open-source blockchain business named Dovu, based in Wales, will get $100 million in funding to continue developing publicly accessible tools, such as their audit trail, to validate carbon offset data. Dovu's carbon-focused market capitalization platform, a supporter of the Crypto Climate Agreement, gathers a wealth of real-time quantitative data on all Ethereum-based projects, tracks and openly publishes their carbon debt based on transaction outputs, and proposes token prohibition measures through investments in Dovu's original property, DOV. USDC and Tether, USDT, are the top two stablecoins in terms of cost to offset valuations, with $64,514,997 and $11,361,957, respectively, while wrapped Ethereum, WETH, is in third place with $2,722,699. Dovu works with rural farming communities throughout the world to measure and report soil carbon concentration levels, establishing a circular economic model in which farmers have access to extract elements from the atmosphere and sell carbon credits. Returning it to the earth is highly recommended on the market. Hedera's board of directors approved the establishment of the HBAR Foundation in mid-September of last year following a successful vote 2 months earlier. First, council members decided to allocate $5.35 billion of the Hedera token's token treasury, a total value of $2.5 billion at the time, for investments in various initiatives and developers working to improve the ecosystem's growth. The open source guardian is the first of many steps in our investments in ESG markets and building the sustainability economy on Hedera. This will be a primary building block for application developers to scale quickly as the world adopts Hedera as the natural choice for scalable and transparent sustainability applications, said Wes Geisenberger, VP for Sustainability and ESG at the HBAR Foundation. This is going to continue to drive up the price of carbon, whether it's cheaper offsets or higher quality, verified carbon credit. Therefore, it will be in the buyer's interest to reduce their carbon emissions in the first place. Not it will get even more costly, he added. Based on their website's data metrics, the HBAR Foundation has granted approximately $32.1 million to 19 initiatives in 4 different industries, each of which relies on some component of the algorithm of Hedera consensus. Some of the areas covered by this fund include payments and financial technology, fintech, cryptography, the metaverse, and the new sustainable impact fund. More than any other category, the crypto economy and metaverse funds are home to famous firms such as Binance US, Bittrex Global, UOB Global, and MoonPay. The metaverse category comprises 8 companies such as Venly and Tune.fm. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average